10 uses for Epsom salt everyone should know. Epsom salt, the unsung hero of household remedies, holds a secret power that can benefit everyone in countless ways. From soothing sore muscles to promoting plant growth, this simple mineral compound is a versatile ally waiting to be discovered. In this video, we unveil the top 10 unexpected and ingenious uses for Epsom salt that will revolutionize your daily routine and leave you wondering how you ever lived without it. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the surprising world of Epsom salt and unlock its full potential for both everyday wellness and practical solutions. Epsom salt isn't just for soothing sore muscles, it's a versatile health and beauty secret that everyone should know about. Looking to add some volume to your hair without the need for expensive products? Mix Epsom salt with conditioner for a DIY volumizing treatment that will leave your hair looking full and luscious. When it comes to skincare, Epsom salt is a game changer. Create a gentle exfoliating scrub by mixing it with olive oil or coconut oil to slough away dead skin cells and reveal a radiant complexion. Want to reduce puffiness and revitalize tired eyes? Simply dissolve Epsom salt in warm water, soak cotton pads in the solution, and apply them as refreshing eye masks, perfect for combating late nights or early mornings. Beauty truly does come from within, but sometimes Epsom salt can help bring out that inner glow we all possess. As athletes and fitness enthusiasts know all too well, the post-exercise ache and stiffness can be quite a deterrent to staying consistent with workouts. Epsom salt has long been hailed for its ability to soothe sore muscles after intense physical activity. The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt is easily absorbed through the skin, promoting muscle relaxation and reducing inflammation. Unlike traditional pain relief methods that may come with side effects or risks of dependency, Epsom salt offers a natural remedy that targets the root cause of muscle soreness. By incorporating Epsom salt baths into your recovery routine, you not only provide relief to tired muscles but also give yourself an opportunity for some much-needed self-care. Soaking in warm water infused with Epsom salt can not only ease physical tension but also provide a mental reprieve from the demands of training. Epsom salt is not just a household staple for soothing baths. It also works wonders for relieving sunburn and skin irritation. The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness, swelling, and pain associated with sunburn. Simply dissolve a cup of Epsom salt in cool water and apply the solution to the affected area to experience relief. Furthermore, Epsom salt can also calm various skin irritations such as bug bites, rashes, and minor cuts. By creating a paste with Epsom salt and water or oil, you can gently apply it to the irritated skin for relief. The natural healing properties of Epsom salt make it a versatile remedy that can provide soothing effects on common skin issues caused by external factors. Epsom salt is a secret weapon for transforming rough, calloused feet into silky smooth wonders. Its ability to exfoliate and hydrate simultaneously makes it a go-to remedy for those suffering from cracked heels or dry skin on the soles of their feet. By soaking your feet in warm water combined with Epsom salt, the gritty texture works to gently slough off dead skin cells, revealing softer and more supple skin underneath. Moreover, Epsom salt's natural anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling in tired feet, making it an ideal solution for those who spend long hours standing or walking. The magnesium content in Epsom salt also aids in promoting circulation, which plays a key role in maintaining healthy skin on your feet. So treat yourself to a luxurious Epsom salt foot soak and pamper your hard-working feet with the care they deserve. In addition to its well-known benefits for muscle relaxation, Epsom salt can also work wonders in the realm of household cleaning. Mix it with dish soap and a little water to scrub away tough grease and grime from kitchen surfaces, leaving them sparkling clean without harsh chemicals. For those looking to restore the natural luster of household items like silverware or ceramic tiles, Epsom salt can be a game-changer. A paste made from Epsom salt and water acts as a gentle abrasive that buffs away tarnish and stains, bringing back the shine without damaging delicate surfaces. By incorporating this versatile ingredient into your cleaning routine, you not only harness the power of nature but also promote a more eco-friendly approach to maintaining your home's cleanliness and aesthetics. When it comes to nourishing your plants and ensuring a thriving garden, Epsom salt can be a game-changer. Its high magnesium content facilitates the absorption of vital nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, promoting robust growth and vibrant blooms. By adding a diluted Epsom salt solution to your watering routine, you can boost the health of your plants without resorting to harsh chemicals. Moreover, this versatile mineral works wonders as a foliar spray, aiding in the photosynthesis process and strengthening plant cell walls. Its ability to improve nutrient uptake makes it an effective fertilizer for both indoor potted plants and outdoor vegetables or flowers. Whether you are an experienced gardener or just starting out on your green journey, incorporating Epsom salt into your fertilizing regimen can nurture flourishing plants that will make your garden the envy of all. Epsom salt can work wonders in restoring the luster to your bathroom tiles and grout. Create a paste using Epsom salt, liquid dish soap, and water, then apply it to the grout lines with a brush. Let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing away dirt and stains effortlessly. The gentle abrasive properties of Epsom salt make it ideal for tackling tough grime in your bathroom with minimal effort. Furthermore, mix equal parts of Epsom salt and warm water in a spray bottle to create an effective cleaning solution for various bathroom surfaces. Spray this mixture on shower walls, sinks, or countertops, then wipe down with a clean cloth for sparkling results. Not only does Epsom salt remove built-up soap scum and mineral deposits effectively, but its natural properties also leave behind a fresh and invigorating scent in your bathroom sanctuary. In a fast-paced world filled with demands and responsibilities, finding ways to relax and relieve stress is essential for overall well-being. Epsom salt, with its soothing properties, offers a natural solution to ease tension both physically and mentally. Whether enjoyed in a warm bath or incorporated into self-care routines, the magnesium in Epsom salt can help promote relaxation and alleviate feelings of anxiety. Furthermore, taking time to prioritize relaxation not only benefits our mental state but also has numerous physical advantages. From reducing muscle soreness to improving sleep quality, incorporating Epsom salt into our wellness routine can have wide-ranging positive effects on our health. Embracing moments of tranquility and embracing the restorative power of Epsom salt may be the key to finding balance in our hectic lives. Creating a relaxing bath soak with Epsom salt can transform your self-care routine into a luxurious spa experience. The soothing properties of Epsom salt can help to calm both the body and mind, making it the perfect addition to your bath time ritual. By dissolving a cup of Epsom salt in warm water, you can create a rejuvenating soak that eases muscle tension and promotes relaxation. Adding essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus to your Epsom salt bath can enhance the therapeutic benefits and create a sensory oasis in your bathroom. Taking the time to unwind with a fragrant bath soak not only nourishes your skin but also provides a much-needed break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Next time you feel overwhelmed, treat yourself to an indulgent soak with Epsom salts for some well-deserved pampering. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unavoidable part of daily life for many. Epsom salt can be a soothing remedy to combat this modern-day affliction. By simply adding this mineral-rich compound to a warm bath, the body absorbs magnesium, which promotes relaxation and reduces cortisol levels, the main stress hormone in the body. Not only does this help calm the mind and ease tension in muscles, but it also creates a tranquil environment conducive to unwinding after a long day. Furthermore, the calming effects of Epsom salt baths extend beyond stress relief and into promoting restful sleep. As our bodies relax in the warm water laced with these salts, we experience improved circulation and muscle relaxation that can prepare us for a night of better sleep quality. The combination of magnesium absorption and easing muscle tension helps signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down, setting the stage for a deeper and more restorative slumber. Say goodbye to restless nights by incorporating Epsom salt baths into your bedtime routine for improved sleep hygiene. The versatility and benefits of Epsom salt make it a must-have in every household. From relaxing baths to boosting plant growth, this natural remedy offers a wide range of uses that can enhance your well-being and surroundings. By incorporating Epsom salt into your daily routine, you can experience its therapeutic properties firsthand. As we've explored the various uses for Epsom salt, it's clear that this simple mineral compound has the potential to revolutionize how we approach self-care and household tasks. Whether you're looking to soothe sore muscles after a workout or improve the health of your garden plants, Epsom salt proves to be a valuable resource with endless possibilities. So next time you reach for a bag of salts at the store, consider all the ways in which Epsom salt could benefit your life, both physically and environmentally. One incredibly versatile, affordable, and eco-friendly solution that often goes unnoticed is Epsom salt. This simple compound, composed of magnesium and sulfate, has a multitude of uses that make it a must-have in every household. Not only is Epsom salt easy on the wallet, but its low environmental impact makes it a sustainable choice for various applications. Whether you're looking to enhance your beauty routine, promote garden growth, or soothe tired muscles after a long day, Epsom salt offers an all-natural solution that won't break the bank. Its ability to draw out toxins from the body while providing essential minerals like magnesium makes it a go-to remedy for many health and wellness enthusiasts. With just a little bit of creativity and experimentation, you'll discover countless ways to incorporate this versatile ingredient into your daily life effectively and sustainably.